New York City on Saturday put out a call for emergency snow shovelers ahead of a powerful nor'easter bomb cyclone, requiring workers to submit multiple forms of identification, contrasting the city's election policy for most voters. For the first time in nearly a decade, a blizzard warning was issued for New York City, with expected snowfall totaling 19 to 24 inches and wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour. New York Gov. Kathy Hochul declared a state of emergency for New York City, and Mayor Zohran Mamdani announced outreach teams have been mobilized. The New York City Department of Sanitation, DSNY, announced Saturday it is recruiting temporary per diem shovelers to remove snow and ice from public areas, including bus stops, crosswalks, fire hydrants, and step streets. While pay is generous, starting at $19.14 per hour and increasing to $28.71 per hour after the first 40 hours worked in a week, workers must meet a number of requirements to be eligible. Shovelers must be at least 18 years old, able to perform heavy physical labor, and eligible to work in the U.S., according to the department. They must also bring 2 small 1.5-inch square photos, 2 original forms of ID and copies, along with a Social Security card for registration, officials said. Unlike the strict emergency worker guidelines, the New York City Board of Elections does not require most registered voters to bring an ID. First-time voters are only required to bring one of 3 documents, including driver's license number, non-driver ID number, or the last 4 digits of a Social Security number. Those who did not provide ID when registering to vote are also able to vote by affidavit ballot.